What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see in front of me, I got some sneaker heat. Crazy shoes going on. This past weekend was crazy. December 14th and 15th. A lot of things came out. I got a shoot early. We're going to talk about everything here briefly. I want to know your opinions on each and every one of them in the comment section below. Did anybody catching a W on these, catch an L? Let me know. I want to know. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We have 5,500, almost 5,500 subscribers on our way to 10K. So make sure you share the video, tell a friend to subscribe to your boy Bossco. Without further ado, let's get into these shoes, you dig? Okay, first we're gonna talk about some restocks. Restocks actually of both of these shoes. Maybe you guys copped them, maybe you guys didn't. Some people already actually own a pair of these bad boys, the frozen yellow 350 V2s. Let me know if you guys went after the restock. They had a lot of pairs. I'm sure if you wanted a pair, you were able to get some. This is the pair from last year or whatever, so I didn't actually go after them, even though I won on the Foot Locker app for 2 pair, a size 7 and 13. Didn't have nobody who wanted it, so they just went to whoever went and bought them regularly in the store. We got this one. Then we got an old classic, which is the Zoom Rookie, Nike Zoom Rookie, Penny Hardaway shoe. Very dope shoe, foam posit action going on here. Let me know what you guys think about both these shoes, if you guys went after either one of them. I know out here in LA, House of Hoops, Hollywood, Highland got them. I'm not sure where else, maybe Beverly Center too, possibly Glendale, but I know for sure Hollywood and Highland Foot Locker had them. They might still have them because I know there were so many different shoes out. These probably might still be on shelf. So if you have a chance this weekend, you know, tomorrow or Monday, you might be able to still find this shoe. And maybe even this shoe, the way it was going, it wasn't really moving like that. People weren't really there for that. Everybody was there for these ones. The first ones we'll get into, which is the Jordan 1 Original Story, aka the Spider-Man's. Very, very dope. Got the little webbing on here, which is actually 3M. Comes with some extra laces with some blue tips on it to go with the Nike swoosh here. I have a full detailed review on this shoe as well as every shoe here. So if you want to see a full detail and my opinion on them besides this video, make sure you guys go ahead and check that video out. Jordan 1 Original Story. Looks pretty much like a Chicago one. I love the blue icy sole though. That's one thing that I think that's fire about this shoe besides the shoe and the color itself. Let me know if you guys own a pair, went after these or not. Some places might be getting their shipments later, so go ahead and check your store in your area if you guys can get them the first day. Some stores got a late shipment, so stay tuned for that. I might have some more details about that later. Next shoe I'm gonna talk about real quick is a shoe that's not even out yet. Very fire shoe, pretty dope in my opinion if you guys like Jordan 8s. Jordan 8 Retro, this is the Tinker, aka Air Raid. Drops December 22nd, same day as the Jimmy Butler 6s. Don't know if you guys are copping, passing these. They real retail for $190 price point. Dope shoe, suede on here. The suede is nice. They got the winterized material, so that way the rain and snow, if you live in a place that snows, won't really mess up the, your shoe. Your feet won't get wet pretty much. The bottoms is pretty dope. I think that's one of my favorite parts, along with the side and the tongue. The tongue has like the little carpet 3 colors. What's that? The red, green, and like the yellow. Dope materials, man. It's almost like a matte black Jordan. In my opinion, I think it's fire. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Will you guys be copping those or not? The next shoe we're going to talk about is a new shoe on this channel. I wanted to get this shoe in a different colorway. Was not able to at the time. But this Nike Zoom Fly Dornbecker is pretty dope. Great story behind all the Dornbecker collabs with Nike. These kids who have these diseases come up with these stories they put in the shoe. Each shoe has a different story with it. So God bless them and God bless the whole situation, man. That's big for them to be able to do it, and they come out dope. I mean, this one is fire. When I first saw the collection release, this was the one I went for out of all of them. I liked, the SB was pretty cool, but something about this one just stuck out to me a little bit more. I really wasn't a fan of the Jordan 15, even though I liked the black suede with the gold. I like that. That's dope. But this was the best one by far for me out the collection. Let me know in your opinion what's the most coveted. Which one do you guys like the most? Very dope shoe. I also, like I said, have a detailed review on that shoe. Go ahead and check out that video if you want to get some more information or my thoughts on that shoe in detail. And last but not least, you guys know me. You guys know I rock with Kyrie Irving. He's a baller and his shoes have been dope. Without further ado, we talking about these bad boys right here, man. These Kyrie 5. I forget the Majestic something. I forget the Galaxy. Some people are calling these the Galaxy. Let me know if you guys know the official name or if you guys are calling them something different. But I think the official name is the Galaxy, but I'm not sure. Very, very dope colorway. The navy blue with the metallic silver. Metallic silver Nike check on the outside that's plated. Metallic silver Nike check on the inside, kind of print on there. Upper mesh. Everybody likes this part about it, the fly trap lacing structure that they have on the Kyrie 5. This one has like a galaxy print on it. Very dope. White midsole, outsole with the colorful patterns, as you know Kyrie does. He always has some crazy stuff going on the bottom of the shoe. This one is a Kyrie 5, so it has upgraded some of the specs, which is the action, you know, the technology that it uses. No longer Nike Zoom. This is Nike Zoom Turbo, which is the upgraded version of Nike Zoom Air. Very, very dope shoe. You got all the Kyrie hints here with Elizabeth, his mom, engineered to the exact specification of Kyrie. These ones right here, you know, this V and the stuff on the back, you know, the material's dope. The colorway is cool. This V reminds me of Villanova, and it's actually kind of the colors of Villanova. I wonder if Villanova is going to be wearing these Kyrie 5s. If you guys have watched any of the games, let me know. I know a lot of college teams will be wearing Kyrie 4s and maybe some Kyrie 5s. This is dope for Villanova, though. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. These shoes are fire though. $130 price point. No, you know, Nike has been doing, Nike and Jordan, or however we have here, has been doing their thing. They've been putting out a lot of shoes. I don't know what you guys are copping, or myself. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are looking for. The year's almost up. There's a few more releases coming out before the year's up. Let me know what you guys are looking forward to. I appreciate you guys. We'll get you guys some good visuals of these shoes. Maybe even some on feet. And I'm about to get out of here. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace.
You better care about TT.